Hello everyone. If you downloaded ASL Summarizer and want to know how it works, continue watching this video. First, open ASL Summarizer. Now we will talk about the script summarizer part. Find a C# script of your choice. We can see that the script seems to work, but its order is a bit confusing. Select the script and copy it. Paste it in the input section. Choose the details and options you want to keep. You can select or remove. I will keep everything. Click Generate. As we can see, the script went from 68 lines to only 20 lines. You must be thinking, what can we do with this script? Let's copy it. Find an artificial intelligence tool like ChatGPT. Let's ask it to do something with the script, for example, explain it and reorder it more efficiently. As you can see, ChatGPT understood and reordered our script more efficiently. We can now reuse it. This is just one way to use the summarizer. Now let's move on to the trimmer part. Here we have a poem. Very beautiful, but I find it a bit boring, and I want to replace this part with a funnier one. Let's copy it. Put it here. I found this sentence funnier. Click on Trim. That's it. The sentence has been replaced. If you want to add more replacements, click on More. Choose another part of the text. Choose which text you want to replace. Click on Trim, and it will replace both parts. That's it. Thanks for watching.